Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a logo on Tradingview charts. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next one is how can you create an account in Tradingview? Really simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website for Tradingview. Once again, to the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now, okay, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to add a logo on Tradingview chart. So you need to open up the chart for any market of your choice. You can use the search bar to search a market, or you can click on market and search a market. So I have Tesla open over here, and I have this chart. So for me to add a logo, all I need to do is to, from here, click on my profile. So I'm going to head over to the top left corner where I have my profile icon there. So click on the profile, and once you click on the profile, the next thing that you will need to click on is, of course, your profile name. Now just move your cursor to your profile name, and once you do that, head over to profile settings and click on profile settings. So from this profile settings, you're going to need to scroll down to where you have avatar. Now, from this avatar, you can upload photo or delete a photo. Now, you can send a picture, can upload a picture as JPEG, GIF, PNG, maximum size of 700 KB. Now, go ahead and click on upload photo. You can click on pictures and look for any picture of your choice. So now scroll down to where you have save changes and click on save changes. That has been changed. Refresh. It has reflected. I'm going back to my Tesla charts. Yeah, my logo has reflected. So that's pretty much the process. That is how you can add a logo on Tradingview chart. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.